Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book Review. In this video, I am going to review about this book, Bail, Law and Procedure, written by Janak Raj Jai. This is one book I have picked out of my to-be read list because while reading newspaper, I felt the necessity to be familiarized with basic provisions related to bail. Because while reading newspaper, almost every day I have seen like court granted bail to someone, court rejected bail to someone. So I decided to educate myself about the basics provisions related to bail. So I have put up a small search in the internet and I come up with a recommendation for this book. I have purchased this book with expectations to know about basic things about bail. But what I had learned in this book is much more than that. After finished reading this book, I felt myself like off advocate. That much basic information about law I get from this book. I would like to say what I had learned in this book. I think that will help you to decide whether you need this book or not. First, I have learned comprehensively about the bail procedures, starting from what is bailable offense, non-bailable offense, and what are the conditions the court can impose to getting bail, and what authority you should approach for bailable and non-bailable, and what is anticipatory bail, in what conditions anticipatory bail can be granted. Like these basic informations comprehensively I have learned in this book. Then I have learned about the various stages that existing in the criminal procedures, starting from filing of FIR, then investigation, then framing of charges, charge sheet, then pre-trial, trial, judgment. I had learned about these basic premises of criminal justice system and various issues involved in this. And I have also learned about the various procedures the law enforcement agency have to be followed while fulfilling their duty. And I have learned about the rights associated for the arrested person as well as the convicted persons. Like the arrested persons have right against handcuffing. The arrested persons can exercise the right to be medically examined if the person was harassed in the police station. Like these various rights that were available for the arrested persons. I have learned about these things. I have learned about the rights available for the women's. For example, the women's cannot be called up in the police station. The inquiry have to be conducted in the place where they reside. And in addition to that, I have learned about various sections of the Criminal Procedure Code and various Supreme Court judgment. So these are the main things I have learned in this book. So after reading this book, I can able to better understand the legal provisions. Legal awareness is the one thing that everyone should possess because this is a stepping stone to access to the justice. Lack of legal awareness leads to harassment and corruption. So there is a necessity to educate every person with some basic law and their constitutional rights. So educated person cannot excuse themselves by saying, I don't know anything about basics law. We don't want to be advocate, but we have to familiarize ourselves with some basic provisions of the law. For that, this book will help you a lot. Thank you.